Hi, today we're going to install this ProMag AR15 Colt style 9mm magazine adapter block. This is your standard mil-spec AR15 lower receiver. It is obviously unloaded. Let's begin. In the packaging you will find the adapter block and the installation manual. The block requires no special tools or modification to your lower to be installed. It is of plastic construction. First, press a button inside and it will break down into two pieces. We'll install the larger piece first. Hold down your mag release and insert it from the bottom of the mag wheel. Push all the way to the top and then press down the bolt catch and push backwards so that the last round bolt hold open device will catch up. Once locked into place, there's a notch for the mag release as well. The block will not move. Then we'll install a smaller piece. Line up the feed ramp, push it in and push down that button again to allow it to slide in and lock into place. That's how it's done. It is complete. Thank you for watching.